Okay, learning objective 2H, it tells you another thing that you need to know about speed time graphs. So far we've known that the gradient of the speed time graph gives us the acceleration. Reading of the speed time graph gives us speed. What else can we tell from speed time graph? We need to know that the area under speed time graph gives us the distance traveled. Okay, area under the speed time graph gives us the distance traveled. So how do we apply this? Okay, so this is the key principle that we need to know now. How do you apply this? Let's look at this. They tell you that this shows the movement of a car over a period of 50 seconds. What was the distance traveled by the car during the time that it was moving at steady speed? Steady speed, steady is another way for saying constant. So for moving at constant speed. Which part of this graph is constant speed? Okay, I hope you can identify this by now. This region is constant speed because it is constant at what? 10. Can you see across the 20 seconds? The speed doesn't change. The speed is always at 10 meters per second. Okay, so here's a constant speed. So they want you to find the distance traveled by the car during this time. How do you find distance traveled by car during this time? Distance traveled equals to area under speed time graph. So you're looking at the area under the speed time graph during this region, so under this constant speed region. Okay, how do you find the area of this? This is it's a rectangle. Very conveniently, it's a rectangle, so you only need to do length times breadth, whatever lah. So what is the length? The length here is 0 to 10, so this is 10, this is 10, and then this is 20 to 40, so this is 20. Okay, I'm gonna write down the units here because I want to show you something. Again, this is something that you can use your units to verify whether you're remembering correctly. Okay, so if you're gonna to find the area, you take this 10 meters per second times 20 seconds, right? You, of course, it's just the units of the axis. So meters per second times second gives you just meters, right? And what is the unit of meters to show? The unit of meters shows you the distance, right? Is distance traveled. So that's how you can also tell that area under speed time graph will give you distance because of the units. Okay, so we take this times this, it will give you that. But anyway, so 10 times 20 will give you 200 meters. Right, so 10 meters per second times 20 seconds gives you 200 meters. So the answer is C.